All those measuring tools in your drawer create so much clutter. Then you stress out trying to find the one you need. But now your drawers can go from cluttered to clean. Introducing the Kitchen Cube, the world's first all-in-one measuring tool.
Why didn't I think of that?
The Kitchen Cube has 19 measurements built into one cube, from a quarter teaspoon to a tablespoon, all the way up to a cup, even metric measurements. Just pour ingredients into the measuring slot needed, then add into your mixing bowl. It's that simple. Preparing meals and baking will be easier than ever. Want to make pancakes? Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, add a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, vegetable oil, and 1 cup of milk. The Kitchen Cube even has a built-in egg breaker. Enjoy homemade pancakes faster than ever. It's hard and messy holding delicate measuring spoons, but Kitchen Cube is easy for anyone to hold and use.
My measuring spoon days are over.
Kitchen Cube is super durable and made from food-safe material. Plus, it's microwave-safe and dishwasher-safe. And it will never pool water. Plus, Kitchen Cube is 100% child-safe and perfect for any kitchen, RVs, cabins, dorms, boats, even camping. So why have a cluttered kitchen or spend a fortune on 19 measuring devices the Kitchen Cube replaces? Every kitchen needs a Kitchen Cube. It's the perfect gift. Pick your colors. Satisfaction is guaranteed or your money back. Order your Kitchen Cubes right now.